Welcome to new series that are common questions that have been asked in Viva. In this, we'll take the pharmacology subject for sixth semester. In this or fifth semester as well, the Viva generally like one of the common questions they ask basically from the what you have performed in the experiment, different types of lines, cell lines and all. But here, like the general questions and common question that they had asked is mice, difference between mice and mouse. At the time, you get confused, like what is that? But like mouse is singular and mice is a plural. And they ask you what is the difference between mice and rat. Mice has basically 20 to 35 grams and they're small in size, but rats are larger body length and it's their weight is like 0.5 kg. So they basically rats are 10 to 20, 10 times heavier than the mice. Another questions are LD50. LD50 is basically the lethal dose for 50% of the population, like for the 50% of the population that are died, right? It is a dose. Now ED is if inversely proportional to the potency of the drug. ED is the effective dose. Now it is definition is effective dose of the substance or the drug that produces the desired effect in 50% of the population under the given conditions.